Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. I'm too excited. I don't care. I didn't even want to set up my review section because it's been 9 days since I sent my StrikeFire 2 to Vortex, and no issues whatsoever. They were very nice to give me confirmation emails when I got it, when they got it, what was the issue with it, what they were going to do about it, how they were going to rectify it, a rough turnaround time, and they exceeded everything that they promised me. They said it was going to be about a week or two turnaround time to get a new scope because the other one was damaged beyond repair. I could not, or at least they said in the email, I couldn't get my old one back for warranty reasons, which I understand. Whether they're going to try to rebuild it and send it back out, I don't know. But here it is, less than 2 weeks later. In fact, about 9 days, so you can figure that one out. No time at all. Let's crack this thing open, see what we've got inside. Oh, they even give me swag. Now, keep in mind, everybody, I am not affiliated with Vortex or any companies whatsoever with this channel. I do it solely out of the goodness of my heart to try to give you, the viewer, the best possible information regarding optics and their companies that make them and everything else. Vortex has no idea who I was. I did not mention anything in my description when I sent it in that I do reviews or anything like that. I said I'm just a regular customer, a regular Joe Schmo that had an accident with a scope. What happens? And as you can see, I'm going to try to take away all the information that might be vital to me out of the picture. So we got a nice little sticker. We have a brand new box sealed in plastic and everything, and even a little bag. Look at that. We're going to get that out of the way. So when you have a warranty issue with Vortex and you send in your optic to get either reconditioned or replaced, they not only give you either your scope or a new scope, but they also give you a nice little book bag, a nice hat, and a nice sticker. So again, I'm not affiliated with any company whatsoever. Vortex does not know that I do reviews, and but maybe they will now. So let's see what this thing comes like in a package. Because when I bought that optic, I actually bought it used from a friend of mine, and I never had a box for it. And because he didn't have the box for it. So now I have a box. Original instruction manual, a cleaning cloth, blah, 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 blah. I think I know how this optic works. We'll get that off to the side. It even comes with a brand new cantilever mount. Holy crap. So not only do they just replace the scope, they also replace all of the accessories that go along with it. A new battery. I still have the original. I did not send my the original scope out with the battery. I kept it. And even a Torx bit to put on the mount. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and do a quick function test, make sure everything still works. Come on. Ah, smells like new. Perfect glass. Beautiful. Buttons are nice and tight. Let me should throw a battery in it first to see if it actually works. Don't mind me. I'm enjoying every second of this. And it's beautiful. Let's see if the green dot works. And it does. Well, again, I was not treated in any particular manner special. Because, again, I'm as anonymous to them as I should be, or you will be if you had to contact Vortex for a similar matter. And they could not be any more professional. I'll try to illustrate the emails if I could, but everything was as close to by the book as you would ever want to, and I could not be happy. This is ecstatic. I could not be happier. Detents are good. Firm and tight, just like my other one. And there you have it. So the scope is unrepairable because the cover over here was actually cracked. Now there is a rubber coating over this that protects the buttons and all the electronics. It's glued on. Obviously it works well enough because it withstood a water test numerous times as well as freezing. The actual aluminum frame underneath is cracked and caused everything to come out. If you did not see that video, you should watch it because it's a hoot. Oh, and keep in mind, I did feel really bad when I filmed the destruction of the StrikeFire 2. I felt really guilty about sending it back to Vortex, not letting them know, like, hey, like, I was doing this intentionally, but I felt really guilty about it. That's what I'm trying to say. I did not enjoy it whatsoever. It's not like they gave me a scope and said, here, destroy it and film it, and, you know, we'll make everybody happy. No, no, no. That was something that I bought with my money a long time ago from a friend, and there was nothing wrong with it. And then there was something wrong with it because I did it, and I still feel guilty about it. It still churns me up inside. But that just goes to show you that I actually really care about these things, and you should too. I do not recommend or condone people just deliberately breaking their scopes to send them back to Vortex. That's a real dick move. I would never do that. In fact, I don't intend on doing this ever again without talking to the company first and seeing if they're okay with it. Simply because I wouldn't want that done to me, you wouldn't want that done to you, and so on and so forth. Vortex is so far an outstanding company as far as the product line, and their representatives are just top-notch. Everything about them is top-notch. So something to keep in mind to hopefully respect them as a result of that. Proof positive that Vortex's VIP warranty is legit. 9 days from sending it out to getting it back in my house. And keep in mind, I'm on the northeast, they're on the northwest. Traveled across the entire country in 9 days. If that's not top quality warranty work, then I don't know what is. No questions asked. They didn't even refer to my sheet that I sent in with any of my explanations at all. They just, okay, this is what we got to do. That's what's going to happen. And I could not be any happier. Not just with the quality of the scope, but with the quality of Vortex themselves. So, Vortex, if you're watching, I'm so sorry that I did this to you guys. I still feel guilty about it, but thank you so much for being the company that you are. You're gonna hold on to my business for a very long time because you just make me feel so good about everything that you do. And I'm not trying to sell anyone on Vortex, but you should keep an eye on it because this might happen to you, and it's great to know that a company stands behind their scopes to that level with everybody. Thank you very much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. See you again next time.